every part of your journey can help someone, whether it's to normalize what they are experiencing and to validate it, whether it's to give them insight into their own experience, whether it's to give them permission to share their own experience. There's so many ways that what you share about your own journey can help someone else. And I'll give you an example. So I had a dear friend team up with me to do a specific carb-free diet, and I didn't do it for fun. It was just my digestion was a mess, and I was very unsuccessful in the past. And just with us sharing with each other our ups and downs, it helped me tremendously, and I could go longer than I've ever thought I could. And not only that, but today I was looking through some videos and I saw somebody share about their own journey with healing their gut, and they explain how you can't just heal your gut with all the perfect diets. You gotta go to the root, have awareness about your fight and flight mode, because when your body is in fight and flight, your digestion is shut down. Your whole nervous system is ready to attack, to fight the tiger that's running after you. That's how your body feels. So just that person sharing their own experience, how they had this journey of trying the perfect diet, it changed my day, not just my day, my whole outlook on what I need actually to focus on. And I started doing somatic practices that remind my body that I'm safe. So when you have a doubt of maybe it's selfish to share about your journey, no, maybe it's the opposite. Maybe it's selfish not to, because it can help so many people. I hope that this message will be helpful, and I wish you all a wonderful rest of the day.